Hello and welcome. Can you guess what car this is? Do you ever saw a car like that? Let me know in the comments. Of course, this is another project we have, and I will upload a few more videos because it had a damage in the front and we repaired everything till to this point, and now it's everything electronical work, new hoses in front, and yeah, we will see how this car works out. So it's just to give you some specifications from this car. It has a Chevy LS engine in it with about 450 horsepower, and the weight is just above 1 ton of this car. So yeah, I think the acceleration and experience with this car will be great. Let me know if you know this car.